To another episode of K-Days. Today we're going to be doing Nerf War with my brother Ward. You've seen him in videos before. And my cousin Julie, her first appearance on the K-Days. I am Team Blue, Ward's Team Green, Julie is Team Red. We got different cameras we're going to film with. And first, let's head on to the intro. The rules to this battle are simple. Basically, we each have different colors. We're against ourselves. And we each have 2 lives each. And we got to go find the guns and bullets. And we got our backpacks on. The backpacks have bullets on it. There's different stuff like drones, GoPros, a bunch of different stuff that we can use for spying. But we're getting to our starting positions. I'm starting right up here on the edge of the border. We're gonna show you where everybody's.
Hey guys, it's Ward. I'm on the green team. So I'm in my starting position down here. I'm like right under the house. I haven't spotted any guns yet. So I'm just hoping to get a win today, because in the last video I was in, the brother battle, Cade won. So that was not very exciting for me. But I got my green, my backpack, got some bullets. I'm ready to go.
As Kate said, I'm his cousin. I'm Team Red. Oh, he's calling us right now. Okay, so I gotta look for some guns. Woo!
3, 2, 1, go! Trying not to get shot is the objective. Alright. Word is starting somewhere down in there. I'm gonna get a little bird's eye view up here. We'll see. Let's go! Let's go! What? Praise Jesus! Thank you, Lord. Alrighty, got first gun. Let's get it loaded. Alright, got awesome gun. Let's get on the move. This gun is so heavy. Let's get it out. I'm just gonna break it out. I'm just gonna leave that there. Here we go. Much lighter gun. Okay. First gun of the day. Bullets are in backpack. What is this? I don't know what that is. Looking around. Oh, bro. I'm trying to think. That thing looks very, very heavy. I'm gonna put it in my backpack. Oh crap! Julie's after me. Oh, I forgot my safety goggles. Whew. Okay, barely got out of that one. Okay. Good news, Julie is no longer here. I'm coming up here, it's incredibly risky. I got a gun with scope. Ward's down there. Here we go, found Ward. It's down there, see that little green thing? That's Ward. Joe's on the other side of the house. I'm gonna put this one in my, leaving the scope behind. I'm going after Julie. Julie's right down here. I'm going after her with this gun. All of us have our remaining lives left, and I've just spotted a gun. You better find a new one. Oh, I found one! Right here! Oh shoot, you got a loaded gun. Whew. Alrighty, I gotta get out of here. Whew. I gotta get out of here. Okay.
That was just an awful gun. So, get a new gun. Hopefully this one will shoot better. So last one did not shoot at all.
Right now, I'm trying to sneak up on Julie. Over there. Let's see if I can try to sneak up on her. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm doing. Julie dropped her phone. Here we go.
Ward's got the sniper. Wait, did I get you? I dropped the phone. I dropped the phone. Woohoo! Yahoo! What? I can't believe I missed you. Julie, we're against each other.
Let's go. A pistol. Let's go.
I'm just gonna really explain the rules real quick. Each have 2 lives. We're all looking for guns, different bullets, and there's big items like a GoPro attached to a drone. Then we got a big, ginormous sniper rifle, and we also have this thing with extra 2 lives. So we're gonna keep on looking around.
All right, so I'm gonna try the sniper thing. Prop up on this wall and shoot. Here we go.
Crap, just missed her. Oh, she's above me. No, you gotta turn it. Got her! Got her! She's down alive! She's down alive! I did it! Ah, turn. Now I won't shoot. Coming at her. Coming at her! She's up. You gotta turn her right. Julie's down alive! Down out of here! Woo! All right. Julie has not gotten very good guns, and Ward I think he's gonna camp it out. Ward the camper. I'm gonna head back there to where we saw them. Just gonna try to get him. Let's do this.
Okay, guys, I've decided I'm just gonna go to the front yard. Oh yeah, I put that back. It was too heavy, so I'm just gonna go to the front yard and see if anyone's there. So here we go.
All right, so now, oh boy, Ward has the first big item of the day, the sniper. But I'm going up here to our garden, or what used to be a garden, up here in the pasture. See if I can't find a big item. So hopefully we can find. We have a mysterious orange dot coming out of this brush pile up here. Yes. We got the Nerf vest. I can drop the backpack. All right, let's put this thing. Found a new gun. I'm moving on with this one. Got Nerf vest going on here. So we're gonna keep on going. All right, we just found a huge, big item. We got the GoPro. We got the drone. And the LED lights tell us what it is. Video and camera. This is a huge, big item. I'm definitely keeping this. I'm gonna have to go back and get my backpack though.
Okay, I just saw Julie. I'm gonna charge her. Ah! I'm charging Julie. Okay, all right. She ran off. I'm gonna let that go. All right, I'm gonna go look for Kate.
Got the backpack back, and we're gonna put these new big items on.
Okay, Julie's here. Ah! She almost shot me. I'm running after her. Oh my gosh, I just missed her. I'm running. Ah! Oh my gosh. I got Kate. Kate's out. I'm gonna get Julie. Here we go. Ah! No. Julie. Yeah, I got Julie. Yeah, I won. Woo!
tried devastating into that one. Ward is the Nerf championship. Julie tried. I tried. It was a rough day. Rain's coming. We got to get out of here. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. Want to be an awesome Nerf guy like Cade? Take care of your abs. Cade out. Pound it.